Hi, it's me again with CorelDRAW Tips and Tricks, and the file today was sent to me from a viewer, actually an email buddy, I guess you want to call him. We met. He is a laser engraver, but he's actually going to get a plasma cutter guy to cut this out. And this is a way to send somebody a file that's having a problem. He made the line he's having a problem with black and thicker. We're going to go ahead and change it back to a hairline and make it red just like it should be for cutting or plasma cutting. But his question was, he does it with the shape tool and there's no nodes at the end of these broken pieces. Well, what kind of what gave me the idea that something's in the way is it actually gave me a dotted line like the red line. So the line is actually there, but there's something in the way. So this is a good reason to use our yellow box trick. Make a box, fill it with yellow, put it in the back of the page, and if we zoom in, you can see there's his eyeballs are white. And if we delete them, that line goes away. And Jim, if you're watching this, I did not delete that side. It should not cause you any problem. But you can go in and delete that side. Now, everything else looks good. And you notice I put back of the page here, and you see it's not highlighted now because there's nothing to put in the back of the page because it's in the back of the page. But most people's back of the page are going to go under Object, Order, Back of Page. So let's click on that yellow Object, Order, Front of Page, and it covers up that our cutting line. So we'll hit delete, and there's the file. Anyway, so if you ever have a problem like that, and I use the yellow box trick on everything just to kind of double check things like that. Anyway, I hope that helped him a little bit, and thank you for watching.